Hello everybody, this is John with Alarm Lock Technical Support, and thank you for joining us for the Air Access Quick Start Setup Guide. We just want to thank you for purchasing an Air Access Kit. The components in the Air Access Kit allow for quick and easy installation. The Air Access Communicator and the gateway are included in the kit that you've purchased. They've been all pre-configured to work with the Air Access Cloud portal and are basically ready to use out of the box. The Air Access Communicator and the gateway communicate to Alarm Lock's architect and network locks. Also the net panel, which support most of the common industry readers such as HID readers, 26-bit, and optional expanders as well, to really create a completely independent wireless system. So in this video, I'm going to just demonstrate, how to activate your first Air Access radio. If you're new to us and Alarm Lock and our NAPCO ComNet website, you'd want to go here first. The website is www.napcocomnet.com. If you're not a registered dealer of ours, you need to click here and select New Dealer Registration. And upon approval, you will be able to log in here to activate your Air Access radio. On each of the radio, on all the equipment, you will see a device ID, radio ID. It's imprinted on a sticker on all of our products that come shipped. So you're going to need that number for activation. So in this demonstration here, we're going to go to the activation portal, which is www.napcocomnet.com. I'm going to enter in our credentials, our dealer credentials. Again, if they were not set up, you would need to process a new dealer registration. So we'll click login. Okay, and you click on device management, and you click on add device. And you will next click on service plans. And this section here is where you would enter in your radio device ID number. 86, and then you press go. And this is the Air Access hosted service plan that's available. So you can click on here for the details. And then we will add this to the account. Okay, and now we're at the add subscriber screen. So I just want to go over this real quickly. You have a couple of options here. You have existing and then you have new. The Air Access radios, you have the ability to add more than one radio to the same account in the Air Access Cloud, which allows for expandability of the amount of users and personnel users. Like by default, it's 500 personnel users come with one radio. If you needed to have, say, 1,000 users, you can activate 2 Air Access radios onto one account, and all the data will be synchronized between the 2 radios on an existing account. So in this demonstration, I'm going to be going over a new activation. So this is a new customer, a brand new installation. If, like I said, if you had, say, 2 radios, when you activated that second radio, when you get to this add subscriber screen, you can hit existing here, and you could locate that other account, and you'd want to make sure that they're on the same account if that's what you're choosing to do, to add a couple of radios to a existing account that you have in ComNet. So just wanted to touch on that quickly here. So we're going to do a new setup here. And this is all the customer's information. It's imperative that you fill out all the subscriber information with the star, the asterisk here. So this is the information you're going to enter in for the company. This is not your dealer information. So we're going to put here Air Access testing. And then you put an address. And it is recommended to put an email address here. I always like to specify, an email here. So you would put your, your email address here. This is for any password resets that might be needed down the line for your customer. So I always like to enter that in. And you could have put a phone number here for reference, just so in case you need to contact them, you need to jot down their number. So we're going to click Add Subscriber. And it's just going to show us the subscriber here in the ComNet. You can go over your service plan, make sure that looks good. And then you can press the user field 1 and 2 is not necessary. This is just a, something if you needed to jot down some notes for this customer, you could always use these 2 fields as some user input if you needed to put any information there. Nothing gets synced to the Air Access Cloud. It's just there for any user information you need to enter in an account. Okay, you're going to press Add to Cart. And at this stage here, there are some features available with the Air Access system. You have the ability to set up Central Station Service Plan, which is a great feature if you're looking to also integrate an Air Access system to send alarm signals to a central station that you have set up for many conditions in the Air Access cloud. So this is a great plan if you're choosing to your customer wants to have a central station reporting. So that one, if you would add it, you can press Add. If not, you can just hit Close on this screen here. And then we're going to see here your shopping cart, and you can click on Process Order. All right, your units are now activated. And just want to touch on the new dealer process and the end user information. So when you activate your first Air Access radio, our ComNet website will create a new dealer login for your Air Access Cloud. So that information will be sent to your dealer email address that you have set up for the NAPCO ComNet. So you're going to want to check that email address and make sure that you receive your dealer credential logins, because that's important on how you're going to program the radios. And you're also going to receive a secondary email with the end user's default login information, which is going to be also emailed to you as the main dealer account. So you're going to want to go and check your email address and check for those 2 emails. Again, this is John with Alarm Lock. I hope you enjoyed this video on setting up your Air Access system. Have a great day.